Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and doing well at your home. Dear students, today we are going to start notice. Okay, what do you mean by notice? Notice से क्या समझते हो? Notice मतलब सूचना, सूचना देना, किसी चीज़ की information देना. Notice, we can say notice is an important form of written communication. Okay, notice जो है आपका रिटर्न कम्युनिकेशन. रिटर्न मतलब जो लिखित में जो बातचीत हम एक से या दो से ज़्यादा लोगों तक जो पहुंचाना चाहे, उस बातचीत के लिए जो फॉर्म यूज़ की जाती है उसको हम नोटिस कहते हैं. ओके, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय नोटिस? नोटिस इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट form of written communication. Okay, and why do we use notice? Why do we write notice? Dear students, we write notice to convey an information. हम notice का यूज़ एक information को देने के लिए करते हैं, convey करने के लिए, और to make announcements, और announcements को एक घोषणा करने के लिए, जो कि if we want that announcement should be in the knowledge of more than one or two or more than one or two people. अगर हम ये चाहते को एक या दो से ज़्यादा लोगों के को वो नॉलेज, वो अनाउंसमेंट पता होनी चाहिए. इवन इफ वी वांट दैट एंड दैट इंफॉर्मेशन should be given to a large number of people, in that case we write notice. Okay, dear students, and it is not mandatory that we cannot write notice. Okay, we individually it can be written, as well as organizations, committees, all can write notice to convey a meaning or to convey an information. Okay, now dear students, I'm going to discuss some points which should be keep in mind while writing a notice. Okay, firstly, these are some points to be remembered. Include the content of the notice in a box. जब भी हम notice लिखेंगे, remember one thing: the notice should be enclosed in a box, in a rectangular or in a square box. Okay, mainly it will be a rectangular box. Okay, now adhere to word limit if given. अगर ये दिया गया है कि नोटिस 50 वर्ड्स में होना चाहिए, यानी नोटिस 100 वर्ड्स में होना चाहिए, इट मीन्स कि वो इतने वर्ड्स तक फिनिश हो जाना चाहिए, कंप्लीट हो जाना चाहिए. ओके, द कंटेंट मस्ट इंक्लूड, और जो हम कंटेंट लिखेंगे उसमें क्या क्या बातें इंक्लूड होनी चाहिए. नोटिस का जो ये कंटेंट है उसमें क्या बातें इंक्लूड होनी चाहिए. टारगेट ग्रुप, हम किस ग्रुप को टारगेट कर रहे हैं, किस ग्रुप को लिख रहे हैं, दैट मस्ट बी इंक्लूडेड. व्हाट इज इट अबाउट, किस बारे में लिख रहे हैं, इट मस्ट बी क्लियर. एंड डिटेल्स ऑफ द इवेंट, और जो इवेंट, जिस इवेंट के बारे में हम लिख रहे हैं कि ये हम करने जा रहे हैं, या ये होगा, ये इवेंट होगा, ये जो भी हम ऑर्गेनाइज करने जा रहे हैं, जिस बारे में हम नोटिस लिखने जा रहे हैं, वो बिल्कुल क्लियर होना चाहिए, उसकी डिटेल क्लियर होनी चाहिए. Now, how many types of notice? Here we are going to discuss about the types of notice. We write meetings notice. If sometimes we write a principal orders. If principal orders all the monitors of all the sections that a meeting should be there. So as the head of the school, you can write notice that a meeting is there in the principal. It is to inform to all the students, all the class monitors, that a meeting is there in an urgent meeting is there in principal office. So it can be written for meetings, for events, like our painting competition is there in your school. Okay, and you are going to organize the Earth Day celebration or any other event. In that case, to inform all the students about that event, it can be written. Lost and found notice can be written. If you have lost something, then on the school notice board, a lost notice can be written. Okay, and if you have found something, in that case a found notice can be written. Okay, it is called खोया पाया, मतलब lost अगर आपकी कुछ चीज़ गुम हो गया, that will be called lost notice. If you are going to write a notice for the same and want to put that notice on the school notice board, that will be called lost notice. And if you got something in the school premises or anywhere where you work, and and if you want to write a found notice for the same, in that case, that will be called a found notice. Okay, seminars, workshop and debate competition, for to give information about all these, a notice can be written. Like appeals and warnings, हम कुछ अपील कर रहे हैं कि it must be done or it should be done, in that case appeal notice. And if we want to warn against something, in that case also warning notice can be written. Okay, now change name and address also. If in we see in newspapers, very small notice, very small notice we found in the newspaper. Like change of name, my name was this and now I have changed my name, that is called change name. And address notice also, like my before my address was this and now I have changed my address to this, so this is called address notice. Okay, is it clear to you? Now language, the language of the notice should be lucid and precise. सिंपल होनी चाहिए लेकिन प्रिसाइज, सिंपल और संक्षिप्त, मतलब कि कम शब्दों में पूरी बात कहने वाली लैंग्वेज हो, ऐसी लैंग्वेज हमने इसमें यूज़ करनी, वी शुड यूज इन while writing a notice. Third person, it should be addressed to a third person. Okay, as it is told to you that three persons are there. First person who is speaking, second person who is listening, and third person whom we are talking about. So here first person is I am telling you, second person you are listening, and third person we are going to write the notice, to whom we are going to write the notice, that is third person. So it should be addressed to third person. Generally it should be present and future tense. Okay, जो नोटिस हम लिखते हैं वो जनरली प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर टेंस में होना चाहिए. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, now we are going to discuss the format of the notice.